Yeah, welcome back to the channel. And just went on here and watched this sonata again because when I came out this morning, birds in this tree, I believe, or that tree. Nah, it's that tree. They use this motherfucker as target practice. There's like 3 bird shits had to hit the windshield and about 16 on the hood. They had used this motherfucker all up for target practice. So while I was slow at the car wash and shit, I went on ahead and ran through the car wash myself and washed it up. Paid one of the guys to dry it off while I did the tires, cause one of the guys, I don't like his tires shine. He used the black magic, but he don't use really enough for the shine. But he don't use that. He used black magic gel, and when I paid his homie to do it last week, motherfucking tires had done dried the fuck up. The tire shine had done dried the fuck up. So I just went out here and did it myself and then hit him again before I left. But yeah, so that's all for this video. Oh, this they taking it back to 04. Damn, I'm waiting on that part though. He be like, screw.
So don't try to run up on my ear talking all that raspy shit. Trying to ask me shit. When my nigga events, they ain't gonna pass me shit. You should think about it. Take a second. Matter of fact,
oh man. Oh, this ain't it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Catch y'all on the next one.